Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. So in this tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to use EasyWorship for church projections in a very simple way for beginners. Now let's get straight into the video. So first of all, I have the EasyWorship software installed. I'm not using the full version. This is the this is the trial version. But if you get the full version, maybe it can give you access to more accessibilities. But for the meantime, we are using the trial version. So I'm going to walk you through how to use it as a beginner. So this is my software user interface. Maybe yours might be different depending on maybe your version or how you have customized it. But this is how I've done mine. So now let's get straight into how we use it. So this being the UI, first of all, we have some tools here. This is the shadow panel. You have the live panel as well. This is the live output. The live output is here. Yes, but you can see whatever that goes live from here. As in, what will go live afterwards should appear here. Something like that, if you get me. Yes. Over here we have the songs where you can, put type a number of songs here that you're projecting frequently. Over here, the scriptures like the Bible, they are all here. Then we have the media where we have some motion background effects, and also under the images we have a lot of them over here I've been using for church projection. Now presentations, in the meantime I don't use presentations, but you can check it out and see what you can really use it for. But I've not really used this before, so I don't really know what the essence of it really does. Then the theme, I've not also used a theme, but for the beginner's guide we are going to be working on the song page and also the media. Yes, that's great. So first of all, one thing that I'll require you to do is, if you head up to media, get some number of images as possible for opening prayer, worship, praises. Get all of them from Google. You can search them, download the images, and once you are done with that, head up to this plus icon over here on the images page. Click on it, then it should open your file explorer. Wherever you have downloaded all these pictures, try to get them and highlight all of them and open them here. I already have mine installed. My pictures already loaded in, so I don't need to do that. The videos to do same as well. You can get all these motion backgrounds from YouTube. I don't know where you can also get them from, but for the meantime, try getting them from YouTube. Then find a way to download it onto your desktop and drag it here onto EasyWorship. Yes. Now, secondly, before one thing about EasyWorship I don't like is their scriptures. I don't know if it's because I'm using the trial version, but for some reason I have to always scroll to look for a specific book, which is kind of stressful when doing that. Why would I have to always wait? How come the language is changed? Okay, I have to go through one by one to find it. Unlike videos, and you can type and it will come. I don't know if it's because I'm using trial version or that's how it's supposed to be. So what I recommend you to do is to download an additional software, which is Bible Show. It's a really great software for Bible presentations. Trust me, I really like this software. The user interface might not be the most friendly, but it's really great. It has all the Bibles on it from wherever country you are, whatever language you speak. I'm sure you get the Bible. I was surprised to see tree version here. We have the tree fancy version, Equiapem. We have all sorts of languages here on this software. Yes, this is I think this is Trekongkong. We also have a Santi tree, a Equiapem tree too is here. They are all here. So I don't know which language you speak, but try it. I'm sure you get it here, no matter wherever country you are. I'm using like that thing. So the Bible show, so I'll link the description in the I'll link the link, sorry, in the description, so that I can go ahead and install this software. It's a really great one for Bible projection. EasyWorship will be linked in the description, but try your best to buy the full version if you have the money to do so. Yes, now let's head up to songs. Now this is the song. I've already typed one or two songs here, which as time goes on I'll be using. But let's say I have my service order tool over here. One of the most important things you should do is creating a service order. If you head up to edit over here, I have the entire service order list over here. So hold on, let it for some reason I don't know why today it's slowing down. I can't tell if it's because I'm recording, that's why it's doing this. All right, so I've done this already. I've done all these settings already, so there's no need of me typing them again. What I'll have to do right now is to just take my time and project all of them when the time comes for me to do so. So if I head up to opening prayer, I've set up a background. Worship is the only one where I have a live background, unless I preview it before you see it, but this is a live background. Yes, and I think praises too. I had a live background for praises, but I've removed it. Yes, so take your time and set up all these. They are very important. Yes, for church, if you are doing this for church, then make sure you set all these things up and save it. So anytime you launch Easy Worship, you can get access to this. So now let's wait. Why is the thing slowing now? I don't get it. Okay, let's double click on the shadow panel, and let's see if I head up to worship. Yes, worship is here. So we can see it's displaying live. But I've not made it live here. If you want it to go live, click on the live button. And since I don't have any secondary device connected, it will display on my monitor or my laptop output device. Hopefully it will show it over there as well. So we are going to remove the Easy Worship from it being live so that we can see it only on our screen. So just in case if you've connected an HDMI output and it doesn't display on them because or maybe just showing your entire Easy Worship UI and it's not showing what is supposed to go live, head up to edit and move to options. And once you're on options, sorry for the way the PC is slowing now. I don't know why it's doing this today, but this is not the usual behavior. You head up output monitor, then try and find secondary monitor and use that one and click OK. Or try any of the other options till you get it displaying this page only to the live screen and not the entire software user interface. Yes, so now you want to add new song. You just right click over here, new song. Then yes, over here you type new song. So one thing you have to always learn to do over here is to always add title. So make sure you always add your own title, the name of the song you want to. Maybe you can make it a title. Right now this is a test try. Over here there are two things here. Where the label is for the main page you are come to work on. So you make sure that you type something there, maybe opening prayer or something. I don't know how you do it. But here where the song is, that is where it will display on over here. So let's say we type song. This is what displays over here and not this. So try to differentiate between them. And let's say I want to add a background to this. I head up to media. You can, as I said, you can get the videos, you can get the pictures as well. But let me use one of these videos and see how it's going. Which one should we go? Okay, let me try this one. I really like this design, so let's use it and see. So you drag it across. After dragging it across, right click on it, move to arrange, and send back so that it displays what is on the screen. So now if you click apply, click OK. Oh my days. Yes. Once you double click on this, it should display this thing live. Let's try again. Oh, okay, so we have to do it from here. Yes, and now it's displaying live to the screen. That's really awesome. So whatever you do, make sure you add it to the shadow panel. Double click before you see it here listed, and you can now go live. You can also loop the video. This is how you loop the sequence of the video. Yes, that's if one importance of the loop is let me quickly find a way to deal with this. Okay, so this is the Pentecost logo. I normally loop. It's a 5-second animation of the logo. And why do I loop it? Okay, just look at this. So it goes off, then that's it. So what do? I rather loop it so that it keeps playing all over and over again, especially if I'm maybe ready to show something that it's not supposed to come on the screen, then we use that. And I've also made it a logo. So if you right click on the video like this, let's right click on it. Sorry, I don't know why for some reason it's freezing. Hold on guys, let me try and work on this and get back to you in a second.